English Learning 101. The Power of I'm Name. Hello, language learners. We hope you're ready for another journey into the world of English. Today, we'll be focusing on a fundamental part of introducing yourself, using the phrase, I'm name. We'll cover when to use it, why it's essential, and how it can help you make a great first impression. Let's start with the basics. The phrase, I'm name, is short for I am name, and it's one of the simplest ways to introduce yourself in English. This phrase is typically used in informal settings, like meeting new friends or introducing yourself in casual environments. For example, if your name is John, you'd say, I'm John. If your name is Maria, you'd say, I'm Maria. You might be wondering, why is this phrase so important? Well, it's a quick and easy way to share your identity with others. It's the first step in creating new relationships and starting conversations. It's concise, friendly, and straightforward. Plus, it's a phrase you can use in many situations, whether you're at a party, a networking event, or just chatting with a stranger in a cafe. When do you use this phrase? Generally, you use it when you're meeting someone for the first time or when you're introducing yourself to a group. You can use it on its own or combine it with other pieces of information about yourself. For example, you might say, I'm Sarah, and I'm a software engineer, or I'm Dave, and I love hiking. By combining I'm name with other details, you not only share your name but also provide more context about who you are. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the phrase, I'm name, the more natural it will feel. Practice introducing yourself in front of a mirror, with friends, or even your pets. The goal is to feel comfortable saying your name and sharing it with others. And there we have it, a quick but crucial guide to introducing yourself with I'm name. Whether you're starting a new job, joining a club, or making new friends, this simple phrase is your key to confident introductions. Keep practicing, and remember, every conversation starts with a great introduction. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!